And today in this video we are going to see how to create a free account on Amazon AWS. Okay, so first we'll open our browser, then we'll go to Google and then we will type AWS account create. Okay, then you'll be able to see this first link. You have to click on that, Amazon Web Services, sign up for free AWS account. Okay, so once that link got open, on the top right corner you will see complete sign up link. Okay, you have to click on that. Okay, after that this page will open. Then at downside you have to click on create new AWS account. Okay, so once that link open, then this is showing that sign up for AWS. Then it is showing that root user email address. Then you have to put your email address here from which you want to create your AWS account. So I am putting my 351@gmail.com. okay, then you have to put your name. So I am putting my name here, so finishing there, then verify my email address. So I will open my Gmail. Okay, so if you can see here, I have got a verification code 491274. so I am going to put there 491274. okay, is it right? Yes, 491274. verify. As you can see, my Gmail ID got verified. Okay, then they are asking to put root user password. Okay, I have put in my password. Then we have to click on continue. Okay, so it is saying that password didn't match. Okay, so once this page is open, you have to select how do you plan to use AWS. So it is for business purpose or personal. So I am selecting personal. Then I'll put my name here. Okay, then I am hiding my phone number, so I am putting my phone number first here. Okay, after that you have to select your country. So I am selecting India. Then address I am putting as Mumbai. Okay, city Panvel, state Maharashtra, postal code. Okay, once you successfully fill all this information, okay, you have to click on, you have to accept the agreement and you have to click on continue step 2 out of 5. okay, so this is the next step. Okay, we have to fill our credit card detail. Okay, so they're going to charge up to $1. If you are creating the account from India, then they are going to deduct 1 or 2 rupees and they will be credited back to your account after 5 to 6 days. Okay, so I am putting my credit card detail here. Now billing address, use my contact address. Okay, do you have PAN? So I am selecting no. And now you have to click on verify continue step 3 out of 5. Okay, once you put your detail, if you can see here, they are saying that amount 2 rupees going to be debited from your account. Okay, then I have to put OTP here. Okay, I have to click on submit. Yeah, so you can see here that my credit card detail got successfully fetched in AWS. Okay, now they are saying that confirm your identity. So I want text message, so I'll put country code India 91 and mobile number, and then we have to enter the captcha. Okay, so they're going to send SMS to me. Yeah, I got received the SMS, and I'll put that code. Okay, now the step 4 out of 5 got completed. Okay, so they are saying select plan, select support plan. So I'm using this account for practice purpose only, so I'm going with basic plan. So if you're using this for your company or business purpose, so according to that you can choose whichever plan you want, but I'm going with basic support free plan. Okay, and the last step is that you have to click on complete sign up. Okay, now you can see the congratulations message. Okay, thank you for signing up AWS. We are activating your account. We should only take few minutes. Okay, so we'll not wait for few minutes. We'll just click on go to AWS management console, and we'll try to sign in to your account that we have created. Then you have to click on sign into the console. Okay, you have to select the root user. Yeah, there are two options you are going to see. You have to select the root user, then you have to put your email address. Okay, that okay, then you have to click on next. You have to put your password. Okay, so after putting your password successfully, you have to enter captcha here, 5TDHN. Okay, so as you can see, I'm successfully created my Amazon AWS free tier account, and I'm logged into that. Okay, so this is the way you will going to create your Amazon free AWS account. Okay, so this is all for today's video. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon so you will not going to miss further coming videos. Thank you, friends.